What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to code in the folding mirrors with Bimmercode. A very popular option that a lot of people want to do. So yeah, here's what it looks like. So then when you unlock the car, the mirrors get back to regular. You unlock the car. This is a very popular coding option. Everybody wants to do this coding. It just looks cool, you know, when you get the car locked and the mirrors are all folded and stuff. So I'm about to hop in the whip. I'm gonna show you what I'm using. We're gonna set it up and then we're gonna code it, all right? I'm in the whip now. And we're gonna take our OBD2 adapter, okay? So right here, this is mine. Got the V-Peak, the OBD2 scan tool. So this little device right here, as you can see, it plugs into your OBD on the bottom right here on the left side, and then this is gonna let you Bluetooth connect to your Bimmercode app. You got a little light right here, so once you plug it in, it's gonna light up blue and it'll let you know if you're connected. Okay, so the first step, we're gonna connect the Bimmercode to V-Peak. So I'm gonna pull up Bimmercode right here, and then you're gonna hit connect, and then it's gonna ask you which car. So F30, obviously you're gonna select 3 series or whatever your model is or your chassis number. And then after that, once the whole thing loads in, it's gonna bring you to a screen like this, control units. Okay, so here we're gonna go ahead and select front electric module, and then after that, so you got like all these options here, like engine light brightness, like audio, like all these options in the front control module. So like daytime running light brightness and stuff like that. So we're gonna go to mirrors. Okay, fold unfold mirrors automatically. You're gonna hit active, boom. Okay, and then what you can do is also you could do fold mirrors with convenient closing or unfold mirrors with convenient opening. You can set those active. What that does is, the convenient closing is when you hold the lock button and all the windows go up. It'll also do for the mirrors. And convenient opening is when you hold it and all the windows go down. It'll open the mirrors for you. Okay, so you can select that. I got mine selected like that. After you do that, you're gonna hit code, and then the vehicle's gonna start coding. So make sure when you hit code, the car's on, okay? And then once it codes, it's gonna reset the ECU. So the car is gonna go like a little quick, it's gonna turn off, and it's gonna start up again. So nothing to worry about, it's all good. It's gonna start up, and then just make sure once we're done, we're gonna disconnect, and then plug the OBD2 out just to avoid any, you know, mishaps. And then after that, hop out of your car, try it. If it works, you Gucci. If it doesn't, right, let's say you mess something up. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to backups right here. It says no backups because we didn't code anything right now. And backups is gonna let you know how many times you've coded, so you could like revert to a backup. So if something doesn't work, you fuck it up, whatever, you just hit the backup and then it'll restore the previous version of before what you did. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna be Bimmercode. We're gonna do so many things with this. I'm just kind of exploring it right now, but the mirrors one was like the biggest one. After this, there's so many other options that we're gonna check them all out. But other than that, I want y'all to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subs, and then I want y'all to drop a like and comment on the video. Give me some suggestions on what you want to see. If you want me to make this Bimmercode thing like a repetitive, like a series kind of, and then drop me the like so I know if I'm doing a good job. That's pretty much it for today. I want y'all to stay patient for the flyby video. It's coming soon. Just gotta set up a few things. But other than that, I'll catch y'all on the next one.